Welcome back, everyone, to the channel, to another episode of our market review, where every afternoon after market close, we dive into the market, see how they done for the day, go over our plays from this morning, work up all the numbers, and see if we came out ahead. Hope y'all are all having a great Monday afternoon. Hope you've had a pleasant day. Let's dive right into the markets and see what happened. The markets was rather disappointing to what I thought they'd be today. I really kind of thought the markets was going to have a big push up today. We did manage to close in the green, but just very little in the green. The S&P closed only 0.30% up. The Dow closed 0.05% up, and the NASDAQ 0.040% up. So all of them in the green, but just not by much. We opened up the day, the markets was quite a bit in the green. The VIX was also up. The VIX kept pushing a little bit higher, pushed the markets down, and then the markets pushed back, the VIX fell back off, and we ended up closing in the green. We just did not get that pop today that I was really looking for. However, our plays overall did well. We were holding Mara from Friday. We was in them at 8.55. I sold them today just a little after market open at 9.20. Made a 7.6% gain on that play. Fantastic. Ethereum, I bought yesterday. I said I was still holding it today. We were up over 1900 this morning. I said I was hoping that it still had room to run, but if it dropped below 1900, that I'd be selling it. It did. It started dropping back off. I sold right at 1900, made 6.7% on that play. And then my recommendation from this morning was Signature Bank. I was wanting to get it under 216. That did not happen. It opened up this morning higher than that point. I ended up buying it at 219.75 and riding it all the way up to 226.25, which was a really nice little gain. It got up a little higher than that, but then I seen the VIX starting to climb and figured I better go ahead and take a position out of it. So I did. I started trying to liquidate it and ended up getting out at 226.25, which represented a nearly 3% gain on that play. So all in all, up considerably for the day, even though the markets did not move the way I was hoping so. I can't complain too bad. My one sort of glaring flaw for the day, I gave a price prediction for AMC that just did not come close to touching what I wanted it to do. I really thought AMC would have a good little bounce today. I was rooting for the apes out there, and it just was disappointing. Ended up down 4% on the day, so I really wish that had gone up, but that was just a play that I wanted to keep an eye on today. But most of the market overall closed up in the green. I'm happy with that. The real question is, what is tomorrow going to bring? I always tend to worry about Tuesdays just a little bit, especially if we have a green Monday. However, today was not very green. I would have predicted today to be quite a bit up and tomorrow to be sell-off. However, we could be setting ourselves up for a build-up. We'll be able to tell more in the morning when we start looking at the pre-market, so be sure and join me in the morning on Before the Bell. We'll go over the pre-markets, we'll see how everything's looking, and I'll try to give my prediction on whether I think we're going to have a green day or a red day. But regardless whether the day is going to be up or down, we'll have our picks out there for the stocks that I'm going to be trading on that I would expect to make money no matter which way the market's moving tomorrow. So be sure to catch me in the morning on Before the Bell. And until then, I hope y'all have a wonderful evening. Be sure to like the video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. I want to get these videos out to as many people as possible to try to help as many people as I can. So be sure and hit the like button. Go ahead and hit the subscribe notification bell while you're there so you don't miss out on any of our videos. I do a video every morning and every afternoon, as well as some pop-in videos if I see something that's pertinent or just have a thought run across my mind in the middle of the day, you want to be up on those videos so that you get all the information that I have for you. It's free of charge. All it costs you is your time to watch. So, y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you